What is up, guys? Boba the Adventures here. What's up? How you guys doing today? Today is gonna be the first video of this year 2020. So I'm glad and I'm excited to show you guys the work I'm going to do and the adventures. It is 2 in the morning right now. I know it's late, but I want to challenge North Borders. What's up, guys? I love your content, great pictures, great photography work. I love it. I try not to miss any videos from you guys. Also, Cody Warner, shout out to you, my friend, from Phoenix, Arizona, and Peter McKinnon. I want to challenge all of you guys to do this video, this challenge with photography, light painting photography. Yes, but not with just any camera. Let's do it with the GoPro Hero 7. I don't know if the 8 can do the photography at night, but I challenge you. So let's do this with nothing better than the lightsaber. So let's do this. Let's start with the show.